Most analytics tools tell you how many people visit your site, but they fall short when it comes to understanding what people actually do, where they click, where they get stuck, why they leave, and how to turn that insight into action. That's where Amplitude comes in. It's more than traditional product analytics. Amplitude is an AI-powered digital analytics platform trusted by companies like Walmart, Atlassian, and PayPal to understand behavior, identify friction, and improve experiences across the entire customer journey. But is it actually worth using? Well, let's find out. What is Amplitude? Amplitude is an AI analytics platform designed to help teams understand how people actually use their products and digital experiences. Every interaction, clicking a button, signing up, completing a purchase, is captured as behavioral data. Amplitude connects these interactions into journeys, showing where users drop off, what drives engagements, and which behaviors lead to long-term retention. You can combine quantitative analysis with qualitative tools like session replay, in-product guides, and surveys to understand both what happened and why. The result is a complete picture of customer behavior, with insights you can actually act on. Ease of use. Getting started with Amplitude is straightforward. You can connect data through integrations or lightweight instrumentation and start seeing behavioral data within minutes. Features like auto capture make it easy to collect common user actions without heavy setup, while custom events give teams full control when needed. The interface is designed for both technical and non-technical teams, making it easy to explore data, ask questions, and build analysis without relying on SQL. Core features. Let's go through what Amplitude actually helps you do. Number 1, funnels and conversion tracking. Imagine you run an online app and want to know where people drop off before they buy. Amplitude builds a simple funnel that shows each step, from landing page to sign up to checkout, and highlights exactly where users leave. You don't have to guess anymore. You can see what's breaking the flow and fix it. Number 2, retention analysis. Once people start using your product, the next question is, do they come back? Amplitude tracks returning users automatically, showing what actions keep them hooked. Maybe it's using a certain feature or hitting a specific milestone. When you know what causes people to stay, you can design your product to make that moment happen faster. Number 3, user journeys. This one's powerful. Instead of just showing isolated data points, Amplitude maps the full journey. Every click, screen, and action that happens before or after something important, like a purchase. You can see these journeys individually or in aggregate in heat maps. You can see unexpected paths, side habits, or drop-off loops that would otherwise stay hidden. Number 4, A/B testing and experiments. Amplitude also lets you test new features or designs. For example, if you're unsure whether a blue or green button performs better, you can test both and see the results statistically right inside the platform. It helps you base decisions on real behavior, not gut feeling. Once you're ready to test new features, you can use Amplitude's feature flags capability to execute experiments. Number 5, session replays, plus guides and surveys. Sometimes numbers alone don't tell the full story. With session replay, you can watch how users move through your product, where they click, where they get stuck, or where they rage quit. And with in-app guides and surveys, you can ask for feedback at the perfect moments without sending people to another page. This makes Amplitude immensely valuable for marketing teams as well. Number 6, AI-powered insights. Amplitude's AI features act like a personal data assistant, but they're now evolving into AI agents and functionalities. Specialized, goal-oriented teammates. AI agents for automation. You can set up different agents for different objectives, like improving conversion or boosting feature adoption. These agents continuously monitor your data, from funnels and session replays to experiments, to proactively detect anomalies, surface opportunities, generate hypotheses, and even recommend actions you can improve, all without manual digging. It's like having a mini analyst embedded directly in your product squad. Plus, Amplitude now supports Model Context Protocol, MCP, for interoperability. This is the key to working outside the platform. Amplitude's MCP allows other AI tools like Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, or your custom workflows to seamlessly access and convert with your Amplitude data. MCP makes your rich behavioral context universally acceptable, turning external AI into an expert system grounded in real user behavior, not just guesswork. Integrations and data governance. Amplitude works nicely with other tools. It connects to Segment, Zapier, Google Ads, and Snowflake, and can sync directly with your data warehouse. It also has strong data governance, meaning your metrics stay consistent and clean across your entire company. You can manage who has access, create trusted data sets, and avoid multiple versions of the truth problems that many companies face. Pricing. Amplitude's pricing is based on monthly tracked users, or MTUs. That means you pay based on how many users you're tracking each month, not how many events they trigger. There's a free plan for up to 10,000 tracked users, and the paid plus plan starting at $49 per month, unlocking things like advanced analytics, experiments, and AI tools. If you're a small team, that's more than enough to get started. For bigger companies, the growth and enterprise plans scale with your usage, and you can customize them for enterprise needs. Plus, startups are eligible for a free year on growth through the scholarship program. Competitor analysis. Now, let's talk about how Amplitude compares to two of its biggest competitors, PostHog and Pendo. Amplitude versus PostHog. Both Amplitude and PostHog help you track user behavior, funnels, and retention, but they target different audiences. PostHog is more developer-focused. It's open source, self-hostable, and great for engineering-heavy teams who want full control. It includes extras like error tracking, feature flags, LLM analytics, and SQL access, all built into one system. Its pricing is usage-based. You pay for what you use, not how many users you track. Amplitude, on the other hand, is more polished and out-of-the-box ready. It's built for product managers, marketers, and beta teams who want reliable, self-serve analytics without managing servers. Amplitude also includes stronger AI tools, better data governance, and deeper cross-team collaboration features. So if you want a developer playground, go PostHog. But if you want a ready-to-use product analytics platform for your whole company of any size, choose Amplitude. Amplitude versus Pendo. Now let's compare Amplitude with Pendo. Pendo is mainly a product adoption tool. It helps you create pop-ups, product tours, and in-app messages to guide users. Its analytics are focused around those guides, not your full user journey, which leaves it lacking. Amplitude, on the other hand, is a complete AI analytics platform. It not only tracks what users do, but why they do it, combining analytics, engagement, and experimentation in one place. Amplitude gives you deeper, real-time data, custom tracking, and AI-powered summaries, while Pendo's analytics are more limited and slower. Amplitude also integrates better with marketing and data tools, whereas Pendo adds extra costs for exports and advanced analytics. Plus, Amplitude now offers robust guides and service functionality, which means you can create and launch them easily. So, if you just want in-app messages and simple tours, Pendo works fine. But if you want full journey insights and smarter engagement, Amplitude gives you much more. Overall, Amplitude stands out for its balance of depth and usability. It brings analytics, engagement, and experiments into one place, helping teams turn data into real product decisions. It's not the cheapest tool out there, but if your goal is to truly understand user behavior and build better products, it's one of the strongest options you can pick. So, if you want to try it yourself, you can try it for free using my link below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this review helped you make a smarter decision, and I will see you in the next one.